People have lost their minds and turned into crazy, making money chasing prostitutes, cashing in at the cost of their souls for shallow, hollow pursuits. Nobody wants authenticity, but today I'll give you 5 reasons your brand needs it and how to apply back to the roots and possibly recover a little of our humanity along the way so the work finally bears true fruits.
Nobody wants authenticity, but today I'll give you 5 reasons your brand needs it and how to apply it. This is a YouTube channel about branding, and I advocate for authentic branding. After years of working in Los Angeles ad agencies, I got sick of the traditional branding from the Mad Men era, created for the sole purpose of manufacturing artificial value. To these sociopaths, authenticity doesn't matter. They don't care if you're miserable or you're sick, they just want that cash. And unfortunately, a lot of people believe that they have to adopt the same inhuman tactics to succeed. Today, large corporate conglomerates are seeing record profits, while the average person is being squeezed for every penny. As people scramble to make ends meet, there's a pull to brand themselves to appear to have more value than they actually have. A pull to learn the game, adapt the persona, and cash in on a win. You see this online everywhere, the new guru promising the secret to millions, artificial beauty, artificial personalities, artificial stories, all designed to sell you a fantasy just behind the paywall. And this isn't just a one-sided equation. Everybody's losing because we're all losing our identity in the process, our authenticity. And when AI can fill in the blanks, what and where are we? Who are we actually in any of this? It's like we're just acting as containers for somebody else's game. We look outside ourselves and see a dystopian world, but what's actually dystopian is our own self-abandonment. Seth Godin, who's considered the top authority on branding, said this about authenticity: nobody wants it. Meaning, who really wants to hear about a waiter's bad day or how really anyone feels about anything? What people really want are experiences that make us feel good or cater to our needs. So why even bother with authenticity? Well, I'll tell you. Here's 5 reasons authenticity matters in branding. Number 1, performance has a tax. The effort it takes to curtail your real feelings, real values, and real experience is energy depletive, which does not prepare or energize you on your path to success. Number 2, dishonesty breaks trust. Just like in personal relationships, the founding connecting point for any brand is trust. Without it, you have nothing. Nobody wants to be around or engage with somebody they can't trust. It doesn't feel right, and people will simply go elsewhere. Number 3, authenticity aligns. This is what I refer to as effortless authority. When one functions from an authentic place, we attract the people and opportunities that align with who we actually are. We function from an energized place of being instead of a depleted space of acting. Number 4, freedom and flow. Acting takes work. Like lying, it demands constant reference to past positioning to keep the story consistent and the mask in place. Authenticity removes the maintenance load by narrowing choices. With your values as the filter, decisions come quickly as options either align or fall away. You gain freedom from having to weigh out endless possibilities at every turn, and flow returns. Number 5, compounding confidence and reputation. Authenticity builds a steady through line people trust and you can count on. Each honest act deposits goodwill that accrues into confidence, ease, influence, referrals, and lasting opportunities. So you can see that authenticity matters. It liberates you from an endless, exhaustive cycle of maintenance, burnout, and cleanup. But how you manage and express your authenticity matters. Seth Godin was right when he said nobody wants authenticity. It's true, I don't want to go get my tire changed and hear a story about how bad business is or why some guy's wife is leaving him. I want to know that I came to a place I can count on to do a good job at a good price and feel good with the exchange. And this is where an important distinction is crucial to understand. When we talk about authentic brands, we're talking about brands rooted in authenticity, not a TMI information dump. Let's spell this out in a way that's easy to understand. When you do work you're aligned with, you're energized by it, and you're your best self. But when you do work you're not aligned with, you get zapped by it, and you're not your best self. And this is exactly what your customers see. They see you as either energized or zapped. Authenticity in branding is a process of first discovering who and what you actually are. Not what you want to be, not what a YouTuber said you should be, not what you want to emulate, or even what you feel like you need to be to succeed. But just simply who you are, your personal truth, your values focused into something you can offer the world that offers somebody else value. That's business. That's branding. It's not complicated. Where it gets complicated is believing that you actually have value. And that's tough for a lot of people. Ask yourself this one question. What do I know or have simply by being myself that can help somebody else solve a problem or enrich their lives? Just like with personal growth, moving into an authentic space in business is more of a reductive process than adding, changing, or fixing. Who you actually are already exists. What you offer is already there. It might be just under years of conditioning that's making it hard to find. And this is my authentic offer. I help people remove those layers and help people define themselves honestly in a way that creates coherence in their personal and professional lives. It's just something I realized I'm good at, and so it gives me the opportunity to be of service and be energized by it. If you would like help uncovering and expressing your authentic self, consider booking a one-on-one clarity call with me. You can click the link above. So what did we learn? Faking your way through life and career sucks. I feel like most people think they have to, or they won't be able to pay their bills, or they won't reach the social status they're looking for, or end up homeless. But I'm here to tell you that's a narrative that serves somebody else's game. It doesn't serve your health or your well-being. Ultimately, we need to choose who and what we serve at any cost. In a world that's getting faker and more soulless, where do you stand? And what legacy do you want to leave for others to reflect on? So anyway, don't believe the hype, okay? Keep it real out there and check out this cool AI music video I made. I'll see you guys soon.